Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can enable monetization on YouTube using your Android phone step by step. This is the new 2020 updated monetization procedure on YouTube. It's so easy to follow. First, open your YouTube and Google Chrome browser. This works on the desktop version. Log into your YouTube account. In the top right, select your account icon, then desktop. In the desktop version, you see the two blue lines above. Zoom in and click the switch to the new YouTube. This is the new YouTube browser desktop version. After that, click on your profile image or account icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then click on the Creator Studio. This is the new YouTube Creator Studio, and from here, click on the $sign or monetization from the left hand navigation panel. And that's it, you already applied for monetization. All you have to do is keep uploading videos so you're gonna get the requirements to be enabled for monetization. It's so easy, right? So hope you like this video. Share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.